Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete publication on Substack. This is very simple. First thing you will have to do is to go to your dashboard. So click on dashboard. Now up here, pick publication that you want to delete. So for me it will be this one, so I will click on it. Now click on settings down here. And now scroll all the way down until you come to this danger zone and click on delete publication. And then this will permanently delete your publication. To permanently delete, new name for this publication, please type your publication subdomain. So just type it right here below to confirm. And then press OK. As you can see, the publication is being deleted. This may take a minute or two. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.